Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video we'll be talking about a factorial program in Java or a factorial of a number in Java. It's going to be a very interesting video, and I will be using for loop for the simplicity, and yeah, it's going to be a very simple program, and we'll try to make it very simple. It's going to be a very simple way of writing factorial program or finding a factorial of a number. What is a factorial of a number, or how we can calculate a factorial of a number? The factorial of a number is found by multiplying that number by all the numbers less than it. So this is the definition of encyclopedia, and it's going to be very interesting. So first define a long time factorial variable, and then we will assign value 1 to it. And then we will in here prompt the user to enter a number. Then I will try to catch that number and save it to a variable called number of type int. So I'm defining for loop in here. So int I equals to 1, and this loop will continue until the value of I is less than or equals to the value of number and I plus plus. And then inside here we will do the calculation. So we will multiply factorial by value of I and assign back that to factorial variable. And outside the loop we will print the value of factorial variable. So factorial of plus number plus is plus, and then we will add factorial, and let's run the program and see what happens. Let's give it a number. Okay, 12, and this is the factorial of 12, which is a big number. I will rerun the program to give a small number. Let's give 3 this time. Okay, so here 6 is the factorial of 3, and that's it. It's just a simple program. It's a simple way of writing this factorial program in Java by using for loop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you in next video.